We are here to talk a little bit about our event that is to happen very soon. I'm Patricia, representing Women Federations for World Peace Australia, and with me today we have one of our guest speakers. And I would like to start by asking you to introduce yourself, one of our guest speakers that will be there in our assembly on the 1st of July.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Patricia, for inviting me. My name's Magdalena Simonis. I'm a doctor, I'm a general practitioner, and I'm an associate professor with the University of Melbourne. And areas of interest that I work in are family violence and developing education and training material for doctors and nurses in the community. So I also go out and I train doctors remotely now through this system, online, digitally, and all things women's health. And I have several leadership positions, one of them being with the AMA as a representative for general practice there, and also as Australian President of this Federation of Medical Women, which represents medical women around the nation.
Amazing. Thank you. If you can tell us a little bit about why you do what you do.
Well, why I do what I do. Firstly, as a doctor, I do what I do because I care about health and I care about equity and people having a healthy life and to reach their full potential and have the rights that every human being deserves. I was raised by a single parent, by a single mother, migrant background. You taste a lot of the bitter aspects of life going through that in a family. In a country that hasn't quite accepted some of its foreign immigrants, and with that's coloured my perception, also strengthened me in so many ways. And I think I bring that voice through the education that I've acquired. I'm very grateful for the country that I've grown up in. I think Australia has been a country of great opportunity. And with that, I've also had this wonderful education. So I use my voice in all the circles that I'm in to amplify the need to support gender equity, health equity, and also to elevate the leadership of women.
Thank you. Amazing. Can't wait to see you in our assembly. Now, if you can talk a little bit about, what are you going to bring on the day with this year's theme being leadership resilience?
Well, I think COVID taught us a lot about resilience, didn't it? It taught us a lot about the need for community and how we have to be agile in our lives and adapt to things that don't quite go our way. A lot of people have found that their work-life balance changed a bit, but they also were forced to think more about what they're not doing as opposed to what they are doing on a day-to-day basis. So from that perspective, I think it's a style of leadership that evolves. It's a style of leadership that brings in other people, and also one that emphasises the need to continue your education and learning path.
See you there. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Patricia.